in 94, we started AMRIT Hospital. AMRIT Hospital had 100% occupancy. We were poured with the patients and we served the people humbly. We felt all patient belongs to my family and I took care of them, and equally they reciprocated me with the respect.
I thought there is a need for a hospital in Saukarpet so that I can give better care for my patients. So we started AMRIT Hospital and I started doing deliveries and all my gynec surgeries.
AMRIT Hospital had a very humble beginning. So it just started as a small clinic in Saukarpet around 35 years back. And because of the dedication of my parents, the kind of service they offered to their patient, it has grown from stage to stage, where it grew into a 50-bedded hospital in Saukarpet by the name AMRIT Hospital, followed by AMRIT Medical Center, which was started around 8 years back in Purushwakam. And now we are expanding fast.
Cricket is his dream, but lately, something seemed to be off. At first, I thought it was just a distraction, but I came to know that there's something wrong with his vision. At AMRIT Hospital, the doctors know how to put you at ease, and they know what treatment to do when. Now, he is in his right path, able to see clearly and play without any limits.
For more than 3 decades, AMRIT Hospital has been a trusted brand in healthcare. With all your trust and love, it continues to deliver the same trust today as well as tomorrow. But this doesn't mean that tradition comes with stagnation. While we honor our legacy, AMRIT continues to embrace the advanced, cutting-edge technologies in delivering the patient healthcare.
AMRIT Hospital is dedicated to providing care, comfort and healing for the people. Healthcare is not providing health to women or to people only in a 10 by 10 room. We at AMRIT Hospital have also committed ourselves to community health. Coming to maternal care, which we specialize in, we ensure a healthy mother and a healthy baby.
Every mother hopes for a safe pregnancy. There are always the moment of worry. At AMRIT Hospital, I never felt alone. The doctor guided me, cared for me, and assured me at every step of my way.
What makes us unique is the personal care. In AMRIT Hospital, we cater to many premature babies. We really take care of the babies in a very personal sense actually. We have a one-to-one care in our hospital. Seeing them come back with older children really makes us happy.
So at AMRIT Hospital, we just don't take care of the patient for preventive care. We always try to, whenever they enter the hospital, patients are being given a guidance, just not for their physical health, but even for their mental health, so that they can take care for their health preventions.
People ask me, what do you do as a vitreoretinal surgeon? Basically, these are very small micro incision surgeries, which need a lot of focusing, a lot of patience, a lot of skills to master. So as a vitreoretinal surgeon, my humble request to all the patients who come to us is, if you are a diabetic, if you're over the age of 40, at least get your eyes checked once a year, no matter if you have a problem or not. Because if we detect any disease at an early stage, it makes your life so much more simpler. Not only financially, morbid advice, psychologically, because I've seen patients go into depression because they're not able to see properly, and there have been a lot of complications which happen because of non-treatment.
Blurred vision made life difficult. I thought it was just aging, but my doctor recommended robotic cataract surgery. I trusted the process. I am glad I did it. Today, not only I see better, I see life more clearly. From the very beginning, I have an attitude to go for the best equipment available. I went abroad many times to learn the newer things. I am the first fellow to have a Zeiss German microscope in Chennai.
also started AMRIT LASIK Center, a small outreach facility which was dedicated to eye care with all the best equipments and the latest technologies available under one roof. I saw a lot of patients who were wearing glasses and who were not willing to wear glasses. That was an obstruction to them. And I felt there was a need because a lot of hospitals were not offering refractive surgery to remove glasses. Then we started AMRIT LASIK Center, where we offered LASIK, bladeless LASIK, and recently we upgraded to something called Smile Pro technology, which is the most advanced technology available in this world to remove glasses. So it is very, very precise, very, very accurate, and the recovery is also fast. I'm proud to say that I was the 14th person who got this technology in this world.
Glasses were part of my life for years, but I wanted a change. At AMRIT Hospital, Smile Pro made it easy, quick, painless, and life-changing. Now I can see everything clearly and effortlessly.
I have delivered quadruplets, that is 4 babies 25 years back, and the children still now they come to me with their wives. I have delivered uniovular triplets who have the same features. Once I met the father, he told me he is so happy that all the 3 children are very healthy.
My mother-in-law is in practice for more than 40 to 50 years. Having continued her legacy, I want to have AMRIT Hospital as a referral unit for all the high-risk pregnancies. My dream is to even start an infertility unit so that we can provide treatment for people where people are able to communicate very well and get treatment and understand what they are going through.
Football was my dream, but because of my injury, I couldn't play freely. At AMRIT Hospital, they didn't just treat my injury, they gave me my dream back. And now, nothing is holding me back. And I'm chasing my goals. Currently in AMRIT Hospital, we have a level 2 NICU and pediatric high dependency unit. We want to make this unit a teaching institute and impart the knowledge here, as well as to make the care very cost effective. When you see those small children get well, that is what really makes us very happy actually.
Watching my daughter struggling to breathe was heartbreaking. I was completely helpless. At AMRIT Hospital, I knew she was in the safer hands. The doctors and nurses here took care of her so well and they comforted me too. She's getting the best care now and finally I'm breathing too.
Lifestyle management is a major cornerstone for their health preventions. In simple manner, we try to explain them so that they understand it better and they make their own treatment plans with us and emphasize the requirement of taking regular checkups, and they do the tests whichever is required so that they understand the long future arising problems can be prevented by our guidance.
When I first came to AMRIT Hospital, I was uncertain. But from the moment I arrived, I knew I was in good hands. It wasn't just about the treatment. It was the warmth, the care. Every interaction felt personal. They don't just treat patients, they build trust.
Here in AMRIT, we treat all sort of chronic pains right from the head to the toe. We offer advanced non-surgical solutions which is beyond your painkillers and beyond your surgeries. There are a variety of advanced treatments available like radiofrequency ablation, regenerative therapy. These technologies are non-surgical, advanced, and that too with the patient's own blood. That's regenerative medicine. So this regenerative medicine is going to be a game changer in the upcoming future.
So presently, we have 4 units with 6 state-of-the-art operation theatres. And we have around 45 doctors who consult at our facility for different specialities. And we have around 250 dedicated staff who work round the clock to offer the best facility and the best treatment or care to our patients. So that is our commitment towards healthcare, and my goal will keep continuing to take Amrit Hospital to new heights.
We are growing, we'll still keep growing. It's because of your trust in us as patients. Thank you also for entrusting us with your health. And we will make sure we'll give you the best treatment possible.
When the Amrit Hospital, Saukarpet, the clinic was going on well, my children were growing up, I had one thing in my mind, that all my children should become doctors and they should serve the society. Now, my grandson also thinking in my own terms. So I am so happy and I wish him all the best and will grow